Hi, I'm Susan, and this guide will help you create a link coupon for your book sales through EDO Next. Coupons give customers an incentive to buy sooner while getting a time-limited deal. So let's get started. From your dashboard, press on your yearbook project, then navigate from the Sell tab at the top to Link Coupons. We start by organizing our order by clicking the drop-down menu for product type. You can select here to make a coupon for what type of product you wish to discount. We have options for yearbooks, ads, marketing posters, or marketing order forms. Discount type and discount value will determine the worth of the coupon. For example, to create a 20% discount coupon, select coupon percentage and put 20 under discount value. Additionally, for ad coupons, you would need to select the ad size from the ad type drop-down menu as a specific. Determine if your coupon will include free shipping. Please select yes or no before proceeding. The expiration date and coupon use limit is the coupon's duration of usability, decided by the end date placed here and amount of use per unit. After those details are sorted out, create a recognizable name for your coupon and click the Create Coupon Code button. And there we have it. Your coupon is ready to use and will appear under your current coupon codes with its code specifics to reference at the bottom of the current page. Thank you for choosing EDO Next as your yearbook designer software. See you next time.